Hey everybody, welcome to my channel where I share easy and affordable beauty tutorials. So this is my hair freshly washed. I'm getting ready to do a very trendy style right now. I'm doing the braids on the side with a quick weave in the middle. But for me, I wanted to do braids on both sides and the quick weave down the middle. So that's why I have the three parts here. This is what it looks like. The sections in the front, the two on the side, are where I'm going to have my braids, and then that whole middle part is going to be the quick weave. So I'm just showing you guys how I did the braids. Of course, I'm not doing them here. I had to get some help. It was late, y'all. I could not do the braids by myself, but I actually got a hairstylist that I know to do my braids. She's really good. She's actually in Houston now. She just moved from Atlanta, so check her out if you are in Houston. I'll have her links to like her Instagram down below as well. Now, she didn't do my quick weave, just the braids, but as you can see, that's how the braids came out. Very cute, very nice, and she does do all type of hairstyles and natural hair. So anyways, now that my braids are done, and she just braided my braids up, and then you can see like the base for the quick weave. I had 3 larger braids in the base. So I did a normal mold down for the quick weave like you normally would. Made sure that it was dry. Now I'm just going to cut off my excess cap, and honestly from here it's pretty standard and easy. I am just going to add my tracks across my head where you can, of course, where you have this space for your quick weave. I just put it across, like up the entire section, the middle section. I just laid the hair, I just laid the tracks straight across as I'm doing here. And I am using old bundles, so I'm not sure where this hair is from. Honestly, this was not even like good hair or anything like that. I just wanted to do this style, and I knew I wasn't going to keep it in for too long. Honestly, I like this style, but for me, it's not a style I could keep in for too long. It is to me, it's kind of like, it just reminds me of being like a teenager. So it's kind of hard for me to wear it for too long, but it's definitely cute for like an outfit or so. But I just had to try it out, of course. So yeah, that's all I'm doing. I did end up cutting layers as well for the hairstyle, and then I just curled my hair. So very simple, very easy. The hardest part is doing the braids, and of course that's why I got my braids done by somebody else. So once I finished doing the quick weave up the top of my head, I did go back and add what is it called? Crochet. I added crochet hair to the sides of my braids. For some reason, I was so worried about like seeing the tracks at the top where the hair meets the braids. But honestly, I did not have to do this portion. I really wish I didn't do this. It was really unnecessary, and you couldn't see the tracks, but you could see the crochet hair. So don't make that mistake that I did. Honestly, like if you just put the tracks on up the top of your head and leave a little leave out, you'll be fine. I did not leave any leave out. I thought that I would be able to add the crochet hair and not have to have leave out, but I would have preferred if I would have just did a leave out instead of crocheting. But this is how it looks. Again, I did the braids on both sides so that I could do a half up, half down as well. This is what it would look like. And then I can also have my hair flipped on either side. So now I'm just going to style it. I did curl and add layers to the hair. It was such a cute hairstyle, very cute. But like I said before, it just reminded me of being a teenager. So I did take it out rather quickly, but I did enjoy it for the time being. So that is pretty much it for the video. This is how my hair came out. I really liked it for the time being. And I honestly liked having the braids on both sides. So let me know what you guys think about the hairstyle down below. I love doing a half up, half down. So I had to give myself the option of being able to do that. But love the side parts with the braids. Definitely worth trying out. So again, let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to like the video if you like it, of course. Subscribe to my channel. And I cannot wait to see you guys in the next one.